And finally, I made a protective case for the IWO Watch Ultra. Here there is also a little knot fit. And finally, I made a protective case for the IWO Watch Ultra. And now let's have a look. Firstly, this side. It fits perfectly. You can also zoom in and zoom out. And the back. And also this side. Okay, do you like this protective case? And do you want to have a try? If you want to try, but must be careful to use the knife. Above is all our details. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.